In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of your videos. First, you have to capture your audience's attention by stating who you are with a high energy level. Some marketers say, "Hey, hey, hey," in a loud manner, or in my case, I clap my hands strongly. These can draw the attention of your audience immediately to you. The next part is to deliver the content of your video. You tell them what your video is all about. You can also tell the benefit of this video to your audience and then talk about the steps. This is very useful, especially when you are demonstrating a product. The third part is the most important part, which is the call to action. You can tell them to subscribe to your channel, click on a link in the comments section, or click on an annotation. You could send them to your affiliate offer or lead capture page through those links. This is where 90% of marketers lose it, because they have great introduction and content, but there's no call to action. If you don't make your audience do an immediate response, then nothing will happen. You just wasted your effort, and that is the opposite of what you want. Again, you have to have these three parts to be successful in video marketing. See you in the next video.